Hello, welcome to this video where today we shall talk about global warming. Global warming is one of the biggest problems we are facing on our planet. Many scientists believe that our production of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases are having a heating effect on the atmosphere. Several current trends clearly demonstrate that global warming is directly impacting on rising sea level, the melting of ice caps, and significant worldwide climate changes. This could be very dangerous for human life. In the Indian context, the impact of global warming is a matter of grave concern. As is well known, India is mainly an agricultural country and agriculture here is gamble of the monsoon. People largely depend on rainfall. Though it is to affect the whole country, the worst likely impact would be on central and northern India, the high-yielding parts of the country. Recently in India, in the month of June-July 2014, the country got 43% less rainfall than the average between 1951 and 2000. The rise in atmospheric temperature and fall in rain would naturally result in decline in crop production. Moreover, it would have on biodiversity as well. Global warming is caused by many things. The causes are split up into two groups, natural causes and man-made. Natural causes are causes created by nature. One natural cause is the release of methane gas from Arctic tundra, and methane is a greenhouse gas. A greenhouse gas is a gas that traps heat in the Earth's atmosphere. Another natural cause is that the Earth goes through a cycle of climate change. This climate change usually lasts about 40,000 years. Man-made causes probably do the most damage. There are many man-made causes. Pollution is one of the biggest man-made problems. Pollution comes in many shapes and sizes. Burning fossil fuels is one thing that causes pollution. Another major man-made cause of global warming is population. There is a close relation between global warming and population growth. Today, the large population on Earth is using the technologies which are destructive for the Earth. Approximately 80% of atmospheric carbon dioxide increases are due to man's use of fossil fuels, either in the form of coal, gas, or oil. Since carbon dioxide contributes to global warming, the increase in population makes the problem worse because we breathe out carbon dioxide. Also, the trees that convert the carbon dioxide to oxygen are being demolished because we are using the land that we cut the trees down for our homes and buildings. We are not replacing the trees, which are an important part of our ecosystem. So we are constantly taking advantage of our natural resources and giving nothing back in return. A Colorado University study is the first to take Pacific Decadal Oscillation (PDO), the natural rise and fall in sea levels over time, into consideration, and the study has found Pacific sea levels are rising consistently beyond this naturally occurring phenomenon. The current sea level rise is about 3 millimeters per year worldwide. According to the National Oceanic Atmospheric Administration (NOAA), this is a significantly large rate than the sea level rise averaged over the last several thousand years, and the rate may be increasing. If we want to live longer, to be safer, and in good health, we must protect our environment.